We're back. It's Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. So I'm making tacos. I'm having some family over, just my dad and, you know, regular people. So we're making tacos. I like to eat a taco bowl. I don't really eat like tacos, really. So I put on some rice. I'm about to fire up the hookah. You guys know I'm a hookah girl. I love hookah. And we're just gonna vibe out. It's Tuesday. It's a regular day. I do need to cook my beans. So I'm gonna have some black beans and rice, and then the meat, and then, you know, like lettuce, cheese, salsa, sour cream. That's what I like to eat. Today, I'm actually gonna make some little mixins in it. I'm gonna use one of these Skittle water additives, and then I'm gonna put some strawberries in my base just to give it a little more flavor, make the experience an experience. So we're gonna do that now. Yes? Probably. You just left? Oh. Well, why are you asking about parking spot? You ain't even close enough to get it if it was one. Girl, last time I was at the same way at this parking spot. Oh, I'm in the kitchen right now. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. I use this air pump that, you know, comes with like an air mattress. All you do is stick the hose in and it like... So, I don't even know where I last left off in this video, but it's Monday. I got my toes done today. What did I do? Yesterday was Sunday. I didn't do anything. Saturday, I went to Pont City Market. I'm just wearing this black polo dress from Zara. These Converse, platform Converse. And these to look today. She about to slang some candles. I'm just documenting.
I can smell the butterscotch already.
See? See? So good. Hey guys, we're still here and I'm tired. But my mom done sold some candles. How many candles you sold, girl? How much stuff you sold? How much money we made? How much money we made? We made a lot of money. I'm gonna link the website down below. People can buy candles on your website? Yes. I'm gonna put the website. Yeah, so we're here. I'm going out of town this weekend, so I got a few things that I didn't need. I got a few items from H&M. I'm gonna try them on. We're gonna try them on together because the fitting room was closed. I couldn't try on the clothes, so I don't know how they fit. So I just got 3 things. The first things I got are these shorts. I don't know how I feel about them. Honestly, when I'm looking at them, now that I have them home, I don't like them. These are a 2. And they're like this linen blend shorts. They have pockets. I don't know. Like, it's giving tablecloth. I don't know how I feel about them. I think I don't like them. Like, you know, you try something on and you're like, oh yeah, I love these. I don't feel that about these. So, yeah. I really wanted this orange dress. When I was walking to the H&M store, like, I saw the dress on a mannequin and I was like, ooh, I want that. So I found it in store. It's just bright tangerine, like crochet knitted dress. And yeah, I got this in extra small. I got those shorts in a 2, and this is in an extra small. It has like cutouts. I don't know. We're gonna try this on so we can see if we like it or not. I don't know. I don't love it. And this is the extra small. It's kind of big, like no structure. I feel like it should have been like at least a little tight. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it, but I like the color. It's a little itchy. I like the color, but I don't like the dress. The last thing that I got are these pink pants. I just thought they were so pretty, like just fuchsia pink pants. They're like dressy pants, but not really dressy. Like, I wouldn't wear them dressed up. I'd throw on a crop top or something, but they just look like this really pretty pink color. I got these in a size 0. These pants, They have pockets. These pants are cute. These pants are cute. No pockets in the back. It's like a faux pocket. And they're long. Like, these are cute. This top and these, this is cute. Like, even with like a cream color top, because I have the same top in like this off white. It's supposed to be white, but it's like an off white. Like these, okay, I'm keeping these pants. I also got, I went to Pacsun, and I got these shorts here. They just look like this. They're like that asymmetrical hem, like the Goldie jeans, but baby, not a Goldie price. These jeans, well, these shorts were only $44.95, and they just look like this. They like cross. These are the 90s girlfriend jeans. I got them in a size 24, and I love a light wash. Okay, so here are the shorts from Pacsun. So they just cross over like this. It's a little button right here. I'm not gonna button that button, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them. This is a 24. It's a little space back there, but not too much. And since it kind of sits, like, it doesn't poke out, I'm not worried about it. But I don't know how I feel about them. I like this little cross detail, but I don't know. I also ordered some stuff from Asos. So yeah, I ordered 2 pair of green shoes because they were different colors of green and I wanted them. So I ordered both of them. Whichever one doesn't, you know, go, is gonna go back. But this is the first pair. These are just like a toweling material platform sandal slide. Really pretty. You guys remember that green dress that I showed you from Zara? Well, it's not a dress, it's a shirt, but I was gonna wear it as a dress. I got a pair of green shoes to wear with that dress. So look at this color green. This is the first one. So then I also got this color green because, you know, it looks different, but same concept, but the platform is a little shorter. And to me, this green is like a little brighter. Like, you can see. I know you can see the difference. They're not the same. If they look the same on camera, I promise you they're not the same color green. This is brighter, and it has like this, you know, gum bottom. Not a fan of the bottom. And then this one, and it has a black bottom, and it's thicker. It's bigger. So automatically, this one is super lightweight, and this one is like heavy. I like this one. So we're gonna see. I have these 2 shoes, and then I got this dress. So I can wear these green shoes with this dress as well because it has green in it. And it just looks like this. Hold back out. Halter. The colors on this just was like, ooh. Ooh, I need that. This is cute. This dress is soft. This kind of feels how I thought the H&M dress would feel. Like, it's knitted, but that one's like hard, scratchy knit. This is like soft knit. So this dress, this is cute. This coming with me out of town. And it's low back. It's real cute. Like, side out. I'm gonna have like a sticky bra on, but this is cute. And this with the green shoe. Is it cute? Is it cute? Yeah. I think that's what we're doing. Let me, so y'all can see the shoe. This with the shoe. Yes? With the shoe? I don't know. Should I get a blue shoe? A pink shoe? An orange shoe? Or what? Is this cute? Let me know. But I like the shoe. I like the shoe a lot.